Welcome back to Guitarlele Tutorials. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to play along the song Summer Wine by Nancy Sinatra and Lee Hazelwood. Before jumping into the song, I'll discuss about the chords and the strumming pattern that this song uses. Okay, so the chords are A minor, so second fret of 5th string and fourth string pressed by second finger and the third finger. So that's our A minor chord. Okay, A minor, and just shift the shape down to fourth string and third string. Okay, so your fourth string second fret is pressed by second finger and third string second fret is pressed by the third finger. Okay, and press the first fret of second string with the first finger. Okay, you can see most probably, and we are not playing the thickest string for this chord, and that's how is D minor. Okay, and the G major. The G major is second fret of first string pressed by second finger, and then the second fret of the third string pressed by first finger and third fret of second string pressed by third finger. So this is the G major shape, and you are not playing the thickest two string for G major. Okay, so this is how G major sounds. Now coming to the strumming pattern. The strumming pattern, the intro part of the song is not much, so you can just get away with just one single down strum. Okay, and then something like this. But when the song actually, the verses actually start, after the intro there is a musical, there is an instrumental part that from there onwards the strumming pattern actually starts. So the strumming pattern is down, down, up, down, up, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, and in the middle also there is one section where you have to just leave away with the down strum, and that's for the D minor chord. I'll tell you about the chord progression of the song as well. So the D minor, and then there is a silence also. There is one bar of silence. If you can keep track of time for a silence, so what you can do is you can simply, you can play the full down strum, full strumming pattern for that particular portion of the song also. So that depends on you and how much comfortable you are with the rhythm of the song. Listen to the song for 5 to 10 times. I did that, and still I can say during the intro I sometimes fail to exactly catch the start of the song, or maybe wherever there is a chord change. Okay, but yeah, I try my most, I try my best to not miss those things. But yeah, sometimes you it's not it's not in your control. Sometimes you miss, and sometimes your concentration breaks. So yeah, that's what it is, right? And the chord progression during the intro part, that's very simple. So you have just to play one A minor, and there is a G minor, and there is one A minor, and then once again G minor. Okay, that's done, and then you have to start with the then the verse starts and the instrumental starts. So from there onwards it's basically so A minor until and unless so there is the verse starts, the lyric starts. Whenever there is a lyric starts, so after that you have to run 2 bars of A minor. Okay, and from there onwards you have to you have to play 2 bars of G major, 2 bars of A minor again, 2 bars of G major again, 2 bars of D minor, and then 2 bars of A minor, 2 bars of D minor once again, 2 bars of A minor, then 1 bar of D minor but just the down strums, and then 1 bar of complete silence, and then again the song starts back with the A minor. Okay, that's how the song basically goes, and that's basically repeated all over until and unless the outro or the after the verse there is once again the intro is repeated. At that time there will be a little different, but yeah, most of the song basically goes like this way. And then it repeats on the same pattern. Okay, so same chord progression it repeats on after that, right? So that was all about the different portions of the songs, the chords, the chord progression, and the silence in between. The song is pretty tricky to start. It exactly starts at 0.8 seconds. So the first A minor I may miss. So there I found in this song is pretty much 2 to 3 things that I want to discuss here. One is about the dynamic changes. In this song it's pretty much obvious, right? So the intro you just play the down strums, right? And then when you are playing the verse you are playing this strumming pattern. Okay, and in between also there is 1 bar of this and then the silence, sorry, and then a bar of silence follows it, and then again you come back with this. Okay, and in the outro the song basically fades away with this. Okay, so these days this fade in fade out effects are pretty much can be done with any software, even the free audio recording software, I mean digital audio workstations like Audacity and the free tool, that with that also you can do these things, right? But yeah, I mean it's always better to know how things are actually done on instruments. So this is how the song basically deploys different what I say, the dynamics of the strumming and also the dynamic changes in the song. So that too, I will tell all these things about these dynamic changes into a different video, but yeah, I encountered this in this song and that's why I want to share with you. I mean these are the things that are there to keep the interest going for the song, right? Otherwise it will be a pretty bland one single kind of song. Even you can try it out. I mean you can try the whole song with this, just ignore the silence. In that silence part also you can try strumming the chord, like you can instead of just playing the D minor chord with the single bar within the verse, the single down strum in a bar within the verse, you can simply do it this as well. Ignore the silence, ignore all the changes and try to do that. You will feel the difference. I mean it will feel a little boring and all, right? Anyways, so that was the play along of the song. Let me know in the comments if you are going to try it, and let me know how your first attempt on this went on. and I really want to know. Maybe you can tag me in my Instagram handle, that's also Guitalele Tutorials, if you want to publish or upload your video. Okay, thank you.